This is Charity's first Girl Scout cookie. It's the peanut butter one. She likes it. Which is clear evidence that she's our daughter. That and human and alive. Ah, Charity, huh? What is there to not like about those things? Oh, yeah. I see that. Now I got competition for the cookie jar. Charity, Rena, don't make her mess around. She's gonna be covered in melted chocolate soon.
Okay.
Where'd she go, Charity?
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Really? Oh. Can I tuck this in so it's not in your way? There you go. We decided to have one for snack. Thought I'd let Charity try one too. She curls her little toes like Daddy does. Makes them go up. Cute. Please don't put chocolate in your ear. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, your finger fits in there, I know. But see, just because it fits in there doesn't mean it should go in there. Thank you. Oh, just watching you makes me want one. Okay. Bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. Of course, she always waves once I stop the camera. Bye.